From those around I hear a cry, it's time to go, a helpless sigh. I hear their footsteps leaving slowly, and then I know my soul must fly, my soul must fly, my soul must fly, my soul must fly. A chilly wind begins to blow within my soul from head to toe. And then the lost breath escapes my lips. It's time to go, and I must leave. I must leave. My time to leave. I must go. So it's true, but it's too late. They said each soul has a given date, but then it must leave its body's core and meet with its eternal fate, eternal fate, eternal fate, eternal fate. Come on, my brothers, let us pray and decide now. Do not delay, oh God. Oh God, I cannot see. My eyes are blind. Am I still me, or have I gone astray and forced to pay a priceless fee? Or lost to dust, we all return. Some shall rejoice while others cry. If only I knew that before. The line grew short and time came. My time came, and I must go. Yes, I must go. My time is gone, and I must go. Who knows, tomorrow could be your day. At last it comes to heaven or hell. They lay me crying and go home. I'm crying worse, heaven or hell, 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 heaven or hell. My soul must fly, 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 my soul must fly.